Hey there! Let's talk about the shell. The shell is a command line interface for running programs on your computer. You type commands at a prompt, and the shell runs programs for you and shows you their output. Developers use it a lot because it's fast and flexible. Also, the vast majority of web servers in the wild run on Linux, and the shell is a vital tool for deployment and remote administration on Linux servers. Now, compared to using a graphical environment, or GUI, when you use the shell, you do have to remember a bunch of magic words and incantations. But in exchange, once you get some practice in, you get to do things really quickly without a lot of pointing and clicking. It's kind of like programming, really. If you've used the JavaScript console in your browser or any other programming language's interpreter, well, the idea of the shell's command line is pretty much the same. You type out instructions in a special language, and the system runs them, and it shows you the output underneath. Then you get another prompt, and you can do it again. The JavaScript console is a command line for your browser, but the shell is a command line for your computer in general, working with files and directories, running programs, and interacting with other computers. Now, the program that we use to interact with the shell is called a terminal program. If you're on Mac or Linux, you've already got a good one of these. It's got an icon that looks like this. If you're on Windows, though, we'll take a look at how to install a shell and terminal program that works the same as the ones on Mac and Linux. Windows does have a built-in command shell. It's based on the old MS-DOS command line rather than the Unix heritage. For web developers, a Unix-style shell is pretty much a professional standard because so much of the web runs on Linux servers. So that's what we'll be looking at in this course. Specifically, we'll be using the Bash shell, which is by far the most popular Unix-style shell. Now, the first thing we'll do in this course is to get you up and running in the terminal. Then we'll take a quick tour of shell commands for navigating files and directories. You'll learn commands for downloading files from the web, viewing text files, and customizing the shell itself to make it friendlier. So let's get started.